let me draw your attention to a very different matter that I believe this house should spare some thoughts on. The world is changing faster and faster than you can imagine. Change is a buzzword everywhere. If you don't update, you will be outdated. If you don't perform and perfect yourself, you will perish. It's a future you just can't sleepwalk into it. We code, design, and invent our road into tomorrow. Now, the whole world fits in your palm. Everything is a mouse click away. Nowadays, education is lacking around. Technology has made our life a lot easier, yet mechanical. The mobile phone you have in your pocket has got more computing power than an Apollo space shuttle went to the moon. This is a tectonic change of the technology. You can learn more about anything in this world in a matter of seconds. The whole world is a classroom, and education is all about bringing the world inside the classroom. Ma'am, today the world looks like a jungle where the fittest can only survive. It's a fast and furious world where you must fight daily for your daily bread. There is no free lunch at all. It's not a caste, creed, color, cuisine and costume that decide your destiny. But it's your caliber and capacity, power and potential, values and principles, quality and qualification and confidence and courage that decides everything. But ma'am, our education system is still in a sluggish and stultifying state. The world is moved on, and it's time for us to wake up and smell the coffee. Education is a founding stone of a country's economy. A country which fails to provide its citizens a better education, it lags behind in every which way. Even though the leaders who should think about it are still trying to fill their hinges and create some communalism in the country. Ma'am, what is the situation of our country? What is being happening in our country? On one side, the leaders are trying to fill their pockets. On the other side, some were trying to rebuild the Indian constitution. Ma'am, let me ask one thing. Why can the Indian education system be changed by a leader who is brave enough to change the Indian constitution? The answer is very simple. He cannot actually. He cannot do it even he take thousands of years to. Before some years, Swami Vivekananda had said about Kerala that Kerala a lunatic asylum. But ma'am, let me correct it. Kerala is not. The India itself a lunatic asylum. And he had made our nation like this. More of that, India is a hell ruled by two dinosaurs. More of that, a Jurassic Park under the control of two dinosaurs. Someone says that you don't need an atom bomb to destroy the whole world. A politician who gives more priority for his pocket than the life of citizens is just enough to destroy the country. That's what actually happening in our country, ma'am. In 2014, the Indian global education slipped into 93. This, together with a series of scams faced by Indian education system, calls for an immediate change, brings a reform in our education system. Our education system is synonym for examinations. We have many matters. Exams like board exams, entrance exams, marks, guiding, grace marking.
Okay, thank you.
Here is a picture. Ma'am, please, let me come to my point. Ma'am, here is a picture which you may be familiar with. For a fair selection, everyone should attend the same exams. So do you think an elephant, a rat, a dog, a bat all can just climb the tree? You may think, what a foolishness is this? But ma'am, actually, this is what's happening in our country. This is what's leading the education system of our country. Nothing more than foolishness. And more of that, the students of the 10th grade are just migrating to other countries for their further education. And here I have the statistics of outbound Indian degree-seeking students. It was increased from 50,000 to 3 lakh within 20 years. And this shows the failure of our education system. Ma'am, and the point is that all we need is a change, and the reform should begin from the schools itself. Because the school play a vital role in changing a person's professional and social growth. So all we need is a solution for that is We need some experiential learning like that of Finland, Korea and Japan. And the focus should be on skill-based
Okay, thank you.
education.
Please be
Ma'am, let me
seated.
come to my point.
No.
Let me come
Time
to
is
my
limited,
point.
sorry.
And before
Excuse
some...
me. Please be seated.
Please, ma'am. It's an end. Please, ma'am. Let me
No.
alone for a
Time is
minute.
restricted. Please be seated.
Please, ma'am. Come to my point. And here is a question. Before some days, a incident happened in Wayanad, and we cannot blame the
Excuse me.
teachers.
Please be seated.
Okay. And the system, our education system, is stuck in a rut. And who is dare enough to stem the rut? Here is $1 million question looming large in the air. $1 million question looming large in the air. Who will bend the cat? Thank you, ma'am. Thank you so much.